So that's actually these two will also be competing this upcoming Asian Championships for the same category, mixed pair po. So that's one of the categories that they will be competing in. Change music to make it. So as you can see, it's very lively. Kaya bagay po talaga na i-host ng Pilipinas ang aerobic gymnastics kasi we're so lively. We love music, we love dancing, which champions aerobic gymnastics po. Okay, so just an idea, the last hosting was noong 2024 pa. In traditional sense, it's supposed to be every year. So the last host was Hanoi, Vietnam. 2025 was supposed to be hosted by India. Unfortunately, they had to back out last minute because of the current problems that their country is facing. And then this 2026, Ma'am Cynthia really did insisted to AGU that I need to get the hosting. And I think, Ma'am, diba, India also wanted to get sana the hosting. India was persistent na no, we're ready to host. The Ma'am Cynthia is like, no, it's Philippines time to host
There was
Aero.
voting among all of them. Out of 16 countries, 15 voted for Philippines, 1 for India. India voted for
India voted for them, Ma'am. Ayan, so successfully we secured the hosting. So we will be hosting the 2026, the 10th edition of the Aerobic Gymnastics Asian Championships. So for these championships, we have a total of 12 countries. We have Cambodia, Chinese Taipei, Hong Kong, China, India, Indonesia, Japan, Republic of Korea, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam. All in all, we have 325 delegates. That includes all athletes, coaches, and their delegation judges po. Okay, so again, alam naman po natin that our official competition venue is the Tagaytay City Velodrome. It had, kanina na po in the AVP was mentioned, it's 3,500 square meters is enough. Actually, it's very big to host the competition. And its seating capacity is 3,000 packs, but we will not be able to occupy the whole 3,000 packs kasi yung setup po ng aerobics is hindi namin ma-accommodate yung seating around the velodrome. So we have to make bleachers kasi iba po yung setup ni aerobics. And of course, the VIP box, which is one of the best attributes of the velodrome kasi we have the AGU president coming in, we have federation presidents, we also have mayors. Actually, sobrang supportive po yung mga mayors ng mga bata from provinces that they really shelled out money for these kids and they will fly to watch the kids. So these VIP boxes is good para nakikita nila in good view yung mga athletes nila and to support them. Yes, and of course, it's also worth mentioning, it is free to watch. So, sa aming mga sports friends, feel free to visit our event. It is free to everyone, to all of the aerobic fans. Talagang marami yan, especially during Palaro and Batang Pinoy. We have so many fans of aerobic gymnastics. So, feel free to visit us in Tagaytay to support the competition. So it was also mentioned in the AVP that these are our partner hotels. So AGU and the VIP Hotel is the Taal Vista Hotel. Judges Hotel is the Templar, Knights Templar Hotel, and the Delegation Hotel will be in Summit Ridge, Tagaytay po. Okay, so as you can see, here are the number of delegates of each country. Ayan po, Cambodia is 15, Chinese Taipei 25, Hong Kong, China 13, India 50. Shocking, ang dami po nila, kinumpleto nila, may entry sila sa lahat ng Indonesia 7, Japan 19, Korea 25, Kyrgyzstan 4, Mongolia 47, Philippines 43, because may entry din po tayo sa lahat. Lahat po yung natin. Thailand 25 and Vietnam 45. So as you can see, ito pong India and Vietnam, it is worth noting na they are using the Asian Championships daw po para makapili sila sinong ipapadala nila sa Worlds. Kaya ganyan sila kadami. Ganun po. So, the aerobic TC, so they are the aerobic gymnastic technical committee. So they're the ones to make sure how the competition runs and it doesn't follow the technical guidelines. So there will be 5 delegates. The AGU HQ, so that's the headquarters of the Asian Gymnastics Union. So we have 3 visitors. And of course, the judges, that's 18. So ito yung mga judges na sila yung licensed internationally. So per country, they are assigned to bring their own judge. So we have 18 judges po. So this is the provisional schedule. So on August 1, darating na po ang technical committee ng AGU for aerobic gymnastics. They're coming August 1 to check everything, August 2, they have their meetings. August 3, darating na po ang mga delegates. So, yan na po talaga yung pinakapuri ng delegates on that exact day. August 4 is the podium training, judges meeting, and the orientation meeting. August 5 is the official start of the qualifications and also the opening ceremony. We shall provide the invitations for the opening ceremony soon. We are finalizing lang po the program. August 6, qualifications po ng seniors and finals ng youth and juniors. Then, August 7, finals ng seniors and then the farewell party, which is one of the most awaited parts ng event. And of course, August 8 is the departure of all delegations po.
Unless they want to stay.
Yes. Parang ganun din po ng Junior Worlds, kahit yung mga working group ng FIG nag-stay pa talaga sa Pilipinas para po gumala. Okay, so presenting our official competition medal. The actual medals are in front of you. So the medals shows the beauty of the shape of the Taal volcano, of course. And ayan po, so the logo is at the bottom. Yan po.
Oh, excuse me. Bumble was saying, why did you make it a rock? You should not show it erupting. So that they know it's volcano, not a mountain.
Okay po. And then of course, for those who were with us with the Junior Worlds, you'll be familiar with them, the return of our official mascots, Lila and Bughaw, because very flexible po si Lila at si Bughaw. Di lang sila artistic gymnast, naging aerobic gymnast na po sila. So you will see them again here in our competition. So you can see, ayun o, nagbago na sila ng sport. Ayan na po sila. So you will see them again dancing. I don't know kung kaya po silang ipas-straddle doon, but you will see them again in the competition. So that would be all. Once again, thank you very much. We hope this has given you a short insight on what is aerobic gymnastics and to give you more ideas that gymnastics is more than just artistic. And we hope for everyone's support on our upcoming event po. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Bea. Okay, wonderful presentation. Nagka-idea kami ng gusto.